Having a spot-free rinse not only is a time saver because you just get to rinse your car and drive off, but it's also a much safer way to treat your final rinse during the washing process. It saves by not having to touch your car as much with a drying towel, and also reduces the chance for getting water spots. So having a deionizer system at your home or as a professional is a huge benefit. Now, deionized water was not invented specifically for the detailing industry, okay? It was adopted from other industries to create a more convenient and a more efficient system for washing. As we expand our knowledge with deionizers, we learn that there's different systems that suit the detailing industry better. The dual bed deionizer system that we have here is a very effective, very efficient use of a deionizer system. The way it works is they take two different resins and they split them into two different tanks. In stage one here, you have a cation resin that targets positively charged ions such as sodium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. Now, once the water passes through the cation resin tank, it has effectively removed all of those positively charged ions. Now it enters stage two, which has an anion resin. Anion resin is going to remove negatively charged ions such as sulfates, chlorides, and nitrates. Whoa, okay. That's enough science talk. That's enough technical talk. What we want to break down is how this benefits you, the consumer. So number one, the dual bed system is going to be a time saver. With the dual bed system, you're not going to replace your resin as often, saving you time in the long run. And you get the safest wash and dry possible. Having a dual bed system is designed more for a high quantity use of water to create a spot-free rinse. So in industries like detailing, where you're using a lot of water to wash your car, or even window washing industry, or even a solar panel cleaning industry, a dual bed system is suited better for us to produce higher quantities of water with a spot-free rinse. Adams Polishes still offers a mixed bed system, okay? We have mixed bed systems which come in a single tank, but essentially what they are is a mix between the cation resin and the anion resin together into one tank. The mixed bed system comes in a single tank. We have 3 different options to it, but if you have the standard one, it's a little bit more convenient to move around, and it also has bypass valves on top. So you as a consumer can control when you're using hard water or not, or you want to use the deionized water through the mixed bed system. With the dual bed system, you don't have a bypass valve. Now with the mixed bed system, using the bypass valve will essentially extend the life of the resin inside of your tank, allowing you to not replace it as often. But if you want to set it and forget it, or you want to have a designated washing system for your car that provides spot-free rinse, what you can do is you can buy a Y splitter for your spigot at your house, and off one Y split, you can have a standard garden hose. Use that for watering your garden, watering your lawn, letting your kids run through the sprinkler, whatever you want to use hard water for. Now on the other side of the Y split, you can have your dual bed system hooked up to that, along with your pressure washer setup. And now when you want to go wash your car and use spot-free water or deionized water, you can do that by splitting it in half off of your spigot. There's no reason for you to need to use DI water for every scenario in your home. So if you use a Y splitter, you can isolate not only the hard water, but also the DI water that creates the spot-free rinse. But what we want to make sure and do here at Adams Polishes is provide the best solution for your washing experience. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have more questions, contact us at 866-965-0400. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your spot-free rinse.